Hey everybody. So I want to share a little bit about my very first Corvette. So my initial impression was piece of shit. I mean, but I slept on it, wiped it down, and despite that it is, you know, it's beat up, it's used, it's extremely old. Dang thing's older than I am. It actually looks pretty good. I wiped it down. You can't see it in this light, but the paint has a blue pearl. Looks really good under fluorescent light. And I think it's a good starter. Uh, it's a beautiful car overall. I love the lines. I love the body style. That's why I've always wanted one. The cat loves it. He's been all over it already. So the cool thing is, I don't have to worry about all that stuff. Door dings, scratches, whatever. No worries. It's already got all that. So it definitely needs some love. We're going to give it some love. And you can join me in the journey. First thing it's going to need is some rubber seals. And the gas pedal has a serious issue. Because you can't. I tried to drop the clutch last night, and there's just no gas pedal. It's got an issue down there. So that'll be easy. Hardtop doors need some seals. And it needs, there's an oil leak on the back of the engine. It's all typical stuff. And we'll see if we can get this thing livened up a bit. So stay tuned. C3 me. Oh my.